Did you know most blenders struggle with frozen fruit? Cold face emoji. Today, I'm revealing the top 8 blenders that crush ice and frozen fruit effortlessly, making silky smoothies every time. Stick around, because I'll show you which one is perfect for you, and you can grab them easily through the links below. On number 8 is Ninja Smoothie Blender. Ever wonder why your frozen fruit smoothies never hit that silky, cafe-level texture? Let me tell you, your blender might be the culprit. Enter the Ninja Smoothie Blender, tested for real-world performance. This beast isn't just another appliance. With its 1200 peak watt smart torque motor, it crushes frozen fruit effortlessly, no shaking, no stirring, no panic. The dual cups and 14-ounce smoothie bowl maker give you ultimate versatility, smooth smoothies, thick bowls, even nut butters. Compared to other top contenders for frozen fruit blends, the Ninja pulls ahead with auto IQ programs that practically read your mind, and cleanup is a breeze. Sure, it's a bit bulky, but the peace of mind from perfectly blended, nutrient-packed drinks? Priceless. If you crave consistency, convenience, and cafe-quality results at home, this is the smart choice. Who else wants a smoothie that actually excites the taste buds? At number 7 is ICUCINA Personal Blender. Did you know most blenders struggle with frozen fruit and ice, leaving you with gritty smoothies? That stops today. The ICUCINA Personal Blender delivers silky, cafe-worthy blends in seconds. With its 1000-watt motor spinning at 25,000 revolutions per minute, it crushes ice and frozen fruit effortlessly, no guesswork, no chunks. Compared to other top contenders for frozen fruit smoothies, its portability and BPA-free, shatter-resistant cups give you peace of mind while on the go. Cleanup? Practically effortless. Dishwasher-safe parts and a handy spatula make it stress-free. Sure, it's smaller than a full-size kitchen model, so large batches aren't ideal, but for personal smoothies, protein shakes, and weekend adventures, it shines. Tested for real-world comfort, this is a smart, safe, and satisfying choice. Who else wants perfectly smooth drinks anytime, anywhere? On number 6 is Colarlemo Ice Crushing Smoothies. Think your smoothies are smooth? Think again. Many blenders leave ice chunks behind, but the Colarlemo Ice Crushing Smoothies blender changes the game. With a 1200-watt motor spinning up to 25,000 revolutions per minute and upgraded 6-leaf stainless steel blades, it crushes frozen fruits effortlessly, extracting every bit of nutrients. Compared to other leading options for frozen fruit smoothies, its 3 versatile cups, 23, 32, 37 ounce, and to-go lids make it perfect for both personal use and sharing. Setup is simple, one push and twist, and you're blending. Cleaning? Stress-free, thanks to dishwasher-safe cups. Sure, the motor needs occasional cooling with heavy use, but that's a small price for cafe-quality results at home. Tested for real-world comfort, it's a smart, safe, and satisfying choice. Who else wants smoothies that actually thrill the taste buds? At number 5 is Reslee Countertop Blender. Ever wonder why some frozen fruit smoothies taste gritty while others feel like heaven? The Reslee Countertop Blender solves that. Powered by a 2-horsepower high-torque motor with Japanese Fuji carbon tech, it spins up to 30,000 revolutions per minute, keeping frozen fruit and ice moving flawlessly for ultra-smooth, lump-free results. Compared to other top options for frozen fruit blends, its 56 ounces family-sized jar is perfect for sharing, yet compact enough for any kitchen. The one-touch start with memory function takes the guesswork out of blending. Every smoothie tastes exactly how you want it. Cleanup? Self-cleans in 30 seconds, stress-free mornings guaranteed. Sure, it's larger than personal blenders, but the peace of mind, safety with BPA-free Triton, and consistent cafe-quality results make it worth it. Who else wants smoothies that feel like a treat every time? At number 4 is Vitamix Ascent X5 Blender. Ever wonder why some frozen fruit smoothies still feel gritty, even after blending? The Vitamix Ascent X5 changes that entirely. With 10 automatic programs, stainless steel laser cut blades, and a 48-ounce BPA-free container, it effortlessly crushes frozen fruits and ice into cafe-quality smoothies, every time. Compared to other top contenders for frozen fruit blends, its self-cleaning program and tamper indicator make thick blends stress-free, saving time and effort. The Add 15 seconds feature and variable speed controls give full control without guesswork. Sure, it's an investment and slightly larger than personal blenders, but the consistent textures, durability, and 10-year warranty make it worth every penny. Tested for real-world comfort, it delivers peace of mind and smoothie perfection. Who else wants thick, creamy blends without the chunks or frustration that plague other blenders? On number 3 is Consciot 11-piece blender. Ever wonder why your frozen fruit smoothies never feel truly smooth? The Consciot 11-piece blender tackles that problem head-on. Its 900 watts full copper motor spins up to 25,000 revolutions per minute, and the asymmetric 4-angle blades pull ice and frozen fruit into perfect consistency, no chunks, no guesswork. Compared to other top blenders for frozen fruit, Consciot's 11-in-1 combo with multiple cup sizes and hands-free auto blending makes it versatile for personal shakes and family smoothies alike. Safety micro switches, overheat protection, and non-slip feet give peace of mind during heavy use. Cleanup is effortless with self-cleaning and dishwasher-safe parts. Sure, it's not a commercial powerhouse like some Vitamix models, but for everyday home smoothies, nut butters, and frozen treats, it's a smart, reliable choice. Who else wants smooth, nutrient-packed blends without the hassle? At number 2 is GDOR blender for shakes. Ever wonder why some frozen fruit smoothies still taste chunky, even after blending? The GDOR blender for shakes solves that instantly. Its 1200-watt powerful motor crushes ice and frozen fruits effortlessly, delivering silky, cafe-quality smoothies every time. Compared to other top contenders for frozen fruit smoothies, its 52-ounce glass jar and 22-ounce travel cup give flexibility for family servings or on-the-go shakes. 2 speed settings plus a pulse function put you in full control, while the self-cleaning feature saves precious time, no scrubbing, no hassle. Sure, it's slightly heavier than compact personal blenders, but the robust glass jar and consistent results bring peace of mind. Tested for real-world comfort, this is a smart, safe choice for anyone craving creamy, nutrient-packed smoothies without frustration. Who else wants perfectly smooth blends in seconds? Now moving to the last one is Turelar portable blender. Think portable blenders can't handle frozen fruits or ice? Think again. The Turelar portable blender crushes ice and frozen ingredients effortlessly with its 20,000 revolutions per minute motor, delivering silky, nutrient-packed smoothies in seconds. Unlike other contenders for frozen fruit blends, its 2 24-ounce travel cups let you blend and drink anywhere, perfect for workouts, offices, or weekend adventures. Adjustable speeds and pulse mode give control without sacrificing nutrients, while overload protection and heat vents keep the motor safe. Cleanup is a breeze, just blend water with soap for 30 seconds. Sure, it's not a massive countertop machine, so large batches take multiple blends, but for personal convenience, portability, and smooth results, it's a game changer. Tested for real-world comfort, it's a smart, reliable choice. Who else wants creamy, fresh smoothies on the go, anytime, anywhere? After reviewing all of them, the Vitamix Ascent X5 blender clearly stands out, and here's why you should buy it. It consistently turns frozen fruit into ultra-smooth, cafe-quality smoothies with no grit or chunks. Its 10 automatic programs, self-cleaning, and tamper indicator make every blend effortless, even for thick fruit blends other blenders struggle with. Compared to the rest, it delivers professional-grade reliability, versatile performance, and long-term peace of mind backed by a 10-year warranty. If you want consistently flawless results, convenience, and durability, this is the one worth investing in. Who else wants a blender that actually feels worth every penny? So guys, this was the video about the top 8 best blender for frozen fruit smoothies. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.